who you are, please.
Dante Ford.
Case number 170-58505, People of the State of Michigan versus Dante Tyrell Ford. Sir, you are charged with count 1, armed robbery in the area of Burwood and Midland. This charge is a felony with a maximum penalty of life for any term of years. Count 2, weapons felony firearm in the area of Burwood and Midland. This charge is a felony with a maximum penalty of 2 years to be served consecutively with and preceding any term of imprisonment imposed for the felony or attempted felony conviction. Count 3, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. This is in the area of Burwood and Midland. This charge is a felony with a maximum penalty of 5 years and or $5,000. Count 4, homicide, felony murder in the area of Pinehurst near Fenkell. This is a felony with a maximum penalty of life without parole. Count 5, robbery, armed, causing serious injury in the area of Pinehurst near Fenkell. This charge is a felony with a maximum penalty of life for any term of years. Mandatory minimum sentence of 2 years. Count 6, assault with the intent to murder. This is in the area of Pinehurst near Fenkell. This is a felony with a maximum penalty of life for any number of years. Count 7, weapons, felony firearm. This is in the area of Pinehurst near Fenkell. This is a felony with a maximum penalty of 2 years to be served consecutively with and preceding any term of imprisonment imposed for the felony or attempted felony conviction. Count 8, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. This is for the area of Pinehurst near Fenkell. This is a felony with a maximum penalty of 5 years and or $5,000. There's also a habitual offender third offense notice. Because of prior convictions, the maximum penalty could be increased to twice the maximum sentence on the primary offense or a lesser term. These charges arise out of an incident that allegedly occurred June 6, 2017. Mr. Ford, did you hear the charges against you and the penalties that you could receive?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court today is going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf for all charges. You come back to court. You have a probable cause conference on June 16. Preliminary examination is June 23rd. Both hearings are at 8:30 in the morning at 3rd Circuit Court, Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. Do you understand?
Yes.
As with any criminal matter, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, orally or in writing, can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney to have been present during questioning and at all future proceedings. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you at public expense. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay, DDC, do we have any holds on Mr. Ford?
No, Your Honor, that matter was addressed yesterday.
Thank you. Sir, due to the nature of the charges, facts presented to this court, also considering your prior criminal history, including the fact you're currently on probation for possession of a firearm, bond will not be granted at this time. Rather, you will be remanded into the custody of the Wayne County Jail. That concludes your arraignment. Sir, you may step away from the camera.